just come out from the trailer, the full trailer of load. Yes.
But the government said they give one carton of Indomie and one bag of rice and one gallon of groundnut oil and 5,000 naira each.
For each person?
Yes.
That
You as a company,
that is a capital lie in this particular place. There's nothing like that. A family, they are giving a family 4 Indomie, 4 pieces of Indomie, 50 naira own. 4.
Okay.
That's what they are giving.
How about the groundnut oil?
Groundnut oil is there's no groundnut oil, and even the people that see their face and give groundnut oil is 4 family in one rubber of groundnut oil. 4 family, 1 gallon of rubber.
Yes.
4 family.
How about the 5,000 naira?
Nothing like money, 5 naira.
You mean the government of Erufai did not do what they said they would do?
You did not do it. As far as here is concerned, we do not see it.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
What's the name of this area?
Angwa Sunday, Sabo, Kaduna.
Okay.
Yes. There's nothing like that. There's nothing like bag of rice.
Other people say.
There's nothing like bag of rice. It was one mudu of rice for each person. 1 mudu of rice.
4 pieces of Indomie. 50 naira.
4 pieces of
Indomie. 50 naira.
But sir, did you benefit from it?
No.
Did your family benefit from it?
No.
Okay, sir. So, sir, my brother, I don't know if you have anything to say. Like, because I noticed the government of Erufai have done mightily good. The government of Erufai are doing mightily good. They are giving the masses a lot of food, Indomies, spaghetti, rice, bag of rice, and oil and cash. So I don't know if your family member benefit from it or you yourself benefit from it, brother.
Before I should start, let me here say my name. My name is Chair Samson Oyefu. I'm the Circuit Summary of Angwa Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, I'm the Circuit Summary of Angwa, the youth leader of Angwa Sunday. What the government are saying they brought, it was lie. What they brought to us in this place, formerly we heard that they're going to bring 450 something bags of food stuff.
Okay.
But finally we get to have 300